on vlogging today, but I guess, hey guys, come back to another video. We are walking on a trail. There's the dam over the fence. There's the dam. So all right there would be water pouring quickly. And I am trying not to bust my bottom. Why am I doing this right now? I don't know. But this is a big rock. So we're just gonna go hiking, I guess. I didn't plan on hiking today.
Well, you got your brand new shoes, right?
I know, but I'm scared they're gonna get dirty. My brand new pink shoes are gonna get dirty. I'm holding the fence, but some of these are like maneuvered up. Pokey. Let's hike.
Wow, this is really pretty right here.
Dean, careful, babe.
Come on. There you go.
So there's the dam. It's closed right now, but we're not going down there, children.
Watch your step. Careful, just jump. I got you.
I just got you, baby. Ow!
What happened,
Mommy touched the fencing.
Oh, on the top? Yeah, I already did that. Hold the fence.
I almost used foul language.
Yeah, hold the fence, Beanie. Okay. Let me look at the rocks right here. Yeah, can you sit over here, Elijah, please?
Stay with us, babe.
Wow.
Look at the start of fall. All the moss. Pine cones.
Oh, look, people practice.
What?
Rock climbing.
Oh wow.
What?
I thought
What you do is you get your setup and then you sit there and jump up and hook it and then you start this climbing this.
You're okay.
What? Me.
Yeah. I got you, babe. Ugh, litter. Should take that to the trash.
Okay, go. Amy, we're in the cave. Does it make you scared? There could be an animal in there, you know.
I don't think so. It looks enclosed.
Yeah.
We can go farther. Wait, let me take a picture of them back there.
Of what?
So I don't exactly know what we're doing, but I know that we're going to go play at the playground after. Let the kids play at the playground. Come back over here, sweetheart. And we came out here to look for rocks because Elijah has a rock collection and he wants some more rocks for his rock collection. So we came out here to look for rocks.
Yeah, because I really
But
like rocks.
I don't know what they wanted to do. I think they wanted to go down by the water. It's a piece of glass, baby.
Yeah, but it's so
Okay.
shiny, little.
And there are
Daddy.
people setting off guns, which is not new where we live. But no, please stay right there.
Really careful.
Yeah, thank you. So I don't know. We might go down by the beach. This is a beachfront park, so we might go down by the beach and see if we could find some rocks. Oh, I heard a noise. I didn't know what that was. But we'll see. I don't know. Okay, so going down that trail was a lot easier than going up. Going up was uphill. But now I'll show you the dam. Well, the closed dam, that is. And then if you follow this down, it connects again to this similar thing. But it's all fenced off, of course, for safety, which is a-okay with me. Stay alive. But we're just gonna go.
Look, it's the dam. See? We're right up here right now. There's water, and then it comes out sometimes.
Well, I don't want to break here.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah, that's where we are.
across there.
Right here. And then this is the other side of the dam, which we've been at the other side.
So we went right across.
Remember, here's the park. We
And
came
then
through
we
there.
went here
Yep.
to there. It's fun throwing maps.
Yeah.
Phew.
Bless you. We got Bill Nye over here.
No.
And raccoon over
Let's
here.
just get in some of these rocks because you might like the look of them. There's like a purple rock.
And now we're gonna go
There's a park.
to the park. Got a cooler bench.
Hey, I think I know
That's a feather.
a bit.
So we're down here by the water. There's the water tower.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the water. We go swimming, parties and stuff. And then over there, behind the little lifeguard towers, is the park. The sweet boy wants to play at. You want to play at the park, sweet boy?
Yeah.
Let's go play, baby. So, before we play at the park, we want to stop at these lifeguard towers and take a picture of them on top. I think about a little over a year ago or some time ago, I took a picture with them up there. I want to find said picture and put, them next to each other. So, let's go do that. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breakfast. But, hold on, Ollie. So, and then I don't know if they're going to look for more rocks down here by the water. But, I don't know.
Go up there. Ollie, I'll help you.
Oh, okay, Mr. Independent.
Yeah.
Spot him though, Dad.
Look, you gave me a nice tap.
Okay, Mom's gonna take your picture, okay? Let's go to the playground. Unless you want to sit here and play by the water with Dad.
Play by water.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Hi, buddy.
Hi. Okay.
Are you gonna go down?
Wow.
Now I come.
Go down. Whee! Careful.
Good job, JD. Bumpy slide, huh?
So just like I figured was gonna happen at this playground, he was playing on this little thing right here. And he fell down and he smacked his face and he bit his lip. Is he open? Got a little bit of blood. It's okay, baby. So what happened was he was climbing up the inside of that and he wasn't even really high. but his hand slipped and he fell and hit his like chin face area on the wood chips, which I don't understand why they have wood chips at playgrounds. They say it's a more cushioned fall, but I'm not seeing the cushion. So now we have another friend. We're just gonna play.
I was ready to catch you. Come on. Go. Come on, go down the slide. Go.
Whoa, that was fast, Elijah. Oh,
I'm fine.
Elijah or Oliver slid down the stairs.
I just go down the stairs.
Yeah. Well, how about you go on the stairs?
There's a nice little view. You got the water tower, the water, swings. Not much of a park, but would you date me if my hair stood straight up like this?
Yeah.
Yes. Would you love me?
Sure.
What if I wore my hair like this?
No, go up, take turns.
Oh, it smells like I straightened it yesterday.
Yeah.
Did you find any rocks you liked?
Yeah. There's a bunch of
Itches.
rocks in the riverbeds. You need to take turns.
Go down.
Go down, Elijah.
Don't sit there and block it. Let him go too.
Man, look at the water tower.
I know. I was showing it.
It's pretty quiet. It's got a nice view.
Yeah.
It has an open beach kind of thing, lakeside. So
The volleyball court.
yeah, volleyball court, a playground. Got a bunch
And
of
a 6-year-old testing
a bunch of
how
grills.
hard he can give mom a heart attack.
Can
No
you go-
Elijah's allowed.
Can you go down the slide, please?
He said no Elijah's allowed.
This rock has eggs on it. Fish eggs.
Oh wow.
This is what it looks like.
You start moving it.
It's either fish eggs or frog. I don't know. I don't see many frogs, so I assume it's fish eggs.
Whoa, considering this is my iPhone, I can see your fingerprints.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it. It's got fish eggs on it, so maybe we'll go put them in a little bowl.
That's crazy.
See what happens.
Look at my hand.
Yeah. I know, it's pretty close. You can see the lines on your hand. Go up the slide, please.
You know, someone told me that every triangle in your hand is like your past life or something like that.
Not, no. Yeah. Well, that's cool if they believe that. That's what you say.
Let's see your... all your hair. Ooh. That's crazy. All your hair follicles in your hand.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
iPhone 7 Plus, baby.
Yeah.
Guess you won't.
That
I can see your snake bite hole.
Yep, that was the first camera that had portrait mode.
Yeah.
That was the first one that they came out with portrait mode.
Hey, it's a pretty good camera.
Dang.
I bet I can see in your brains.
Yeah.
I'm lowering down.
Did you want to be pushed, Elijah?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember to kick your feet too, okay? Kick your feet. Not to the side, out. There you go. In, out. The harder you kick, the faster you'll go. Don't cross them. Why do you cross your feet? I've never seen that. Hey, just swing out straight, babe.
Slow it down too. Slow it down.
I'm coming. You gotta kick your feet too. Out, in, out, in.
At first I used to not know how to put my feet in.
You'll learn. So truth be told, Elijah is terrified of swinging high, but he's being an adrenaline junkie today, wanting to go high. But of course, there is still a too high.
Got him.
Good job. Keep kicking your feet.
I wouldn't jump from these.
No, don't jump.
Whoa!
You're going pretty high though. Let's see. Pretty high.
I ain't higher than you.
Yeah.
Got it.
I'm pretty sure it's not that hard. Elijah is swinging a little sideways.
So high. It's really high.
Oliver's main problem is I'm slowing down. There you go. Keep kicking your feet.
How high always. You have to hold on.
Oh, my mom anxiety is acting up. So after some fun at the park and looking for some rocks, I'm gonna eat some sundaes from McDonald's. Mommy got a chocolate shake and a sweet tea. And Daddy can share some with us. Daddy didn't want anything. Did you see the rocks that Dad got? Did you help him rinse them?
Sort of.
No. He said no. Dad says sort of. Life says no. We're too busy. We got ice cream. So we ended up talking on the phone with my mom, the boys' nana, for the rest of the night, and then the boys went to bed. And this morning, poor Oliver woke up crying. He had a little headache and an arm. I'm looking over there because he's sleeping over there, and he's just like, I don't know, he's complaining that he feels like he's gonna throw up, and so I'm just kind of keeping an eye on him. But I didn't make an ending to this video, so here's my ending. I suck at this, but thanks for watching our last minute impromptu video of us hiking and exploring the park and all that. Maybe I need a nap. Like I said, I didn't intend to vlog that day, but as we were there, Adam mentioned, you know, you should vlog, like 15 times, so I got a little bit. Thanks for watching. Bye.